turtle. Rockstar. Are you eating, Rockstar? Hmm? You want apple? You on video, man. I'm trying to show everybody that you can eat right out of my hand. You full, Rockstar? All right, buddy. You think that how I like it. Say, put it in my mouth. Yeah. See? That's the good thing about having pets. You can feed them right out of your hand. Uh-oh. All right, buddy. You got it. Chew that up. Look, he got to stretch that neck out. Cause look, he trying to figure out who the hell is that with this big old phone. It's me, Rockstar. It's me. It's me, the person that feeds you all the time. Hello. You camera shy, Rockstar? The turtle know that I'm recording him and he's sticking his head back in there. Ain't that something? Yeah, he eating, but he think that my phone is some type of threat. You know? Ain't that something? He say, nigga, I ain't got this shell for no reason now. I see. Baby, he let me feed him right out of my hand. Look, he let me put it right in his mouth. You hear me? Mm-hmm. Do you let Cecil do that? Yeah, I think Cecil intimidated though. What? Think he gonna bite? Yeah. Oh, he almost bit my finger.